Inside this box is the TOZO A1 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. First, let's unbox it. You have your user manual, and this is the warranty card. Also, you have a quick guide. You have a USB charger and also some extra earbuds. And here is your TOZO A1 stereo earbuds. While this earbud may not be the flashiest or the most expensive earbuds in the market, but let me tell you, they pack a whole lot of values into a very small package. And yet, not many people actually know about them. That's going to change today, because in this video, we are going to do a deep dive into everything you need to know about the TOZO's A1. From the design to the comfort, control, and all the way to the sound quality, the performance, the battery life, and who these earbuds are really for. So if you are in the market for new everyday earbuds, or maybe you are curious about whether this budget-friendly little thing can actually hang with the big name, stick around. You are going to want to hear what the A1s bring to the table. And huge shout out to TOZO for sending this earbud for a honest review. Let's get into it. All right, let's start with the basics, the design. The TOZO A1s are extremely compact, lightweight, and designed with everyday comfort in mind. If you've ever used earbud that feels bulky, sticking out too far, or causes ear fatigue after just a short time, these are the opposite. Each earbud weighs only 3.7 grams. That's lighter than single sheet of paper. When you put them in, they almost disappear in your ears, which is especially nice if you're wearing them for a long listening session, workout, or even just casual background listening at work. TOZO has engineered these to follow the natural inner contour of the ear, so they rest securely without needing those big hooks or wings you sometimes see on sports earbuds. You can jog, lift, or just walk around the town and they stay put. They also come with multiple ear tip sizes, small, medium, and large silicone tips, so you can customize the seal for comfort and sound isolation. That's important because even though these don't have active noise cancellation, a proper seal can block out a surprising amount of background noise. Aesthetically, the A1s are minimalist. No longer stems, no flashy logos, just a clean, modern look. They are available in black, white, green, and blue. So you've got options if you want something classic or a little more fun. And yes, they are IPX5 water resistant. That means they will shrug off sweat, rain, and even a splash here and there. Perfect for workouts or using outdoors. Now let's talk about the controls, because this is where a lot of affordable earbud cuts corners, but not TOZO. The A1s features touch controls right on the earbud. With just a tap or two, you can play or pause your music, skip track forward or backward, adjust the volume up and down, answer or end calls, and even activate your phone voice assistance. This means once you've got them in your ears, you really don't need to pull out your phone unless you are doing something very specific. That's a huge convenience. Pairing is also super simple. The A1 uses Bluetooth 5.3, which gives you faster connection, stronger signal stability, and better power efficiency compared to older Bluetooth versions. You just take them out of the case and they auto pair to your device. And speaking of the case, let's cover that too. The charging case is one of the smallest I've seen, which makes it pocket friendly. You can toss it in your jean pocket, gym bag, or purse, and it takes up almost no space. The lid flips open easily and the earbuds snap into place magnetically. There's an LED indicator on the front to let you know the case's battery level. Charging is done through USB-C. Okay, let's get into what most really care about, the sound. Now, keep in mind, these are compact entry-level earbuds. You're not going to get the same audiophile level detail as TOZO higher-end model like the Golden X1s, but for the price point, the A1 sounds shockingly good. They are built with a 6mm dynamic driver, which is tuned to emphasize clarity in the mids and highs. That means vocals, podcasts, and dialogue-heavy content sound crisp and easy to understand. Perfect if you listen to a lot of audiobooks or watch YouTube on the go. Bass is present, but it's not overblown. If you're a bass head looking for earth-shaking sub bass, these aren't designed for that. But casual listening, pops, acoustic, podcast, or background music. They deliver a very balanced, pleasant sound signature. I tested these across different genres. Acoustic tracks sound detailed and warm. Pop and electronic has enough punch to keep things lively. Classical or instrumental music reveal decent separation between instruments. Overall, the sound profile is clean, balanced, and tuned for everyday listening rather than heavy studio use. Now, what about the calls? The A1s include a built-in microphone system with environmental noise cancellation. That means when you are on a call, your voice comes through clearly, while background music gets minimized. For everyday phone call, Zoom meeting, or voice messages, the mic quality is more than serviceable. Battery life is another key component. The TOZO A1 give you up to 5.5 hours of playback on a single charge, and this charging case you are looking at about 22 hours total before you need to recharge. That's enough to get you through an entire work day, a few workouts, or a weekend trip without stressing about running out of juice. And when you do need a charge, the USB-C connection make it quick and modern. The question now is, who are TOZO A1s really for? If you are looking for a lightweight, ultra-portable earbuds, a budget-friendly option for casual listening, comfortable, secure fit for workout or daily use, reliable Bluetooth with simple control, and a minimalist design that doesn't scream, then the A1 are a fantastic pick. They are not trying to compete with flagship 200-pound earbud. Instead, they are nailing the essentials: comfort, convenient, sound quality at affordable prices. Now, if you compare the A1s with TOZO high-end options like the Golden X1, the T12, or the NC9, you are going to miss out on things like active noise cancellation, multi-point connectivity, high-resolution LDAC audio, and advanced app-based EQ tuning. But here's the thing, not everyone needs all that. If you just want earbud that works, sound good, and don't break the bank, the A1 is all you need. This is my final thought. The TOZO A1 True Wireless Stereo Earbud delivers a whole lot of value in a tiny package. They are light, comfortable, reliable, and sound way better than you expect at the price point. They are perfect as a daily driver, a backup pair, or even as a gift for someone who just need a good set of everyday earbuds. Once again, a huge thanks to TOZO for sending this tiny earbud for me to review. If you want to check out the A1s, I will leave a link in the description box below and the pinned comment. Make sure to click through to see the latest deal and promos. Alright folks, that's going to be a wrap for today. I'm K Olaleye. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I'm going to sit back, relax, and enjoy some of my favorite tracks on these little A1s while this video uploads. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.